Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Still out in NorCal. Got the clearance store. Alright, probably not going to be the longest video. But I really need to look at the apparel here. Man, still getting mad at the Niners. $15 for the Super Bowl McCaffrey shirts. Got the George Kittle shirts here as well for $15. Alright, I gotta see what's up with this. Probably a Trey Lance, yeah. That says 19 and up, so I was like, it's definitely a Trey Lance. Dang it. What's it go for? What, $29.99? I don't even see a price tag. Oh, here it is. Here it is. $50. Dang it. That's not bad. 15 bucks. That is a medium. Got a small right here. This one doesn't have a price tag on it though. Is that Air Force shirts? I think they are. $15. Okay. Or are these just a double XL? Oh, this one does have a price tag. $15 for that. Triple XL Stanford shirt going for $15. All right, let's go see what's up with the sneakers. Remember, this is one of the clearance stores where they actually do all the basketball sneakers together. They do all the running sneakers together. They even put all the budget signatures right here as opposed to like the more higher end ones right there. You got these dunks right here going for $100. It's just the University Red, I think. Yeah, University Red. All the Jordans up top right there. Only see a bunch of Team J's. SBs down here, and then all the recycled boxes right there. They got a preschool Air Force One, $35 for those. $130 right here for the Air Max 1 premiums, way high. Invincible Run Fine at threes, $100, pretty solid. 10 to have so many Cosmic Unities, $70 pretty much for every colorway and every generation too. The threes, the twos, the ones, all $70. Zion threes, where these going for $70 for those. Air Max 97s down to $80. Adjust Forces still $170. That's surprising. Bunch of winter stuff. I'll go for $100. These are sports coats. That's what these are. Sports coats or trench coats. Yeah, this is the. There are 50 of them in here. What the hell? What's going on here? What's going on here? There's like 50 of them. What the hell? What's going on? What the heck? But yeah, I think they're not going for 15. So I don't know what's going on. I believe these are $100. $100. This is Tech Fleece. These jackets, $300 down to $100. These are like legit winter coats. Yeah, that hoodie doesn't belong here, but yeah, do got this sports coat / trench coat in white. This is a medium. I really like these. This Tech Fleece looks so dope. Puffy jackets. This is a Tech Pack one. Yeah, this is down to $100. Normally $330. That's a small. Got these rain coats right here. $375 down to $100 with Gore-Tex. Got them in black as well. And these winter jackets right here, $3 to $100. One of the super heavyweight hoodies right here, $50 down from $100. They got them in white. They got them in gray right here. I got one of these, super warm. Yoga jacket right here, $30 down from $85. Super thin though. The Real Tree pullovers right here, $80 down to $30. The jackets too, no, they're all the pullovers. Smaller sizes, size 8. Do got the duck boot, $80. Nike by You Pegasus. These are Pegasus 40s, all black pretty much, $80. Insane that they're still trying to get $140 for these. Have these been moving? People have been buying those. Size 9. Got some Jordan 1 white cements. What they go for? $150. That's crazy. I'm seeing them cheaper at the regular outlets. Got some Dunk mids right here. $60. Okay. See, $60. That's just hella cheap for these bad boys right here. Right about that, got Prestos going for $60 as well. So they still do have deals. It's not on everything. $110 for these Dunk guys. What the hell? What the hell? They got these weird ISPA ones going for $60. Blazers. These are actually SB Blazers too. $50 for those. Ice shots down to $50. Been seeing them just as cheap at the skate shops. The BRSB's down to 40. Got the Kwandos right here that nobody likes, 100 bucks. I'm sure someone's gonna be like, I like those. If you do, that's cool, dude, that's cool. Seen many of the same things. This size 11 right here. Trainers go for 60. Kokunis go for 60. Air Max 1s right here. Haven't seen this colorway. $110 for those. Hoop sneakers. Bunch of the Cosmic Unities. That's pretty much what I'm seeing here. 2 trays down to 70. They got the GT jumps. Go for 80. LeBron 2s. People just don't seem to like these, 100 bucks for these. Bunch of Team J's and the 11s. Not really seeing any retros like that. Got 10 minutes checking out the women's section real quick. Vaporfly Next Percents. These are the 2nd gen, going for 100 bucks. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Those are 7. These are 70. I'm in the size 8, 8.5 area. Infinity Run 4s down to 80. Blazers, look at this, $25. Holy cow. Just that one, because these are going for 50. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s down to 80. Solid price. Jordan 2s, 100 bucks. They got a ton of those. They got these right here as well. $80. That's a hell of a price. Air Max 1s right here. $70 for those. Just Forces still go for 140. Cortez is down to 50 bucks. That was a dope colorway too. These are all size 8s. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, still $80. Got them in a bunch of different colorways. $100 for the Vapor Maxes. Forces down to 50 bucks, just in certain colorways, because these are going for 90. And then these are 60. Some suede and is that corduroy in the middle? Got Rob right there. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh, what's up? Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. But yeah, I think I got like 5 minutes left. I need to go catch my plane. Yeah, let's look around the women's a little bit more. Got Raymond right there. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Appreciate it, brother. All right, do got Air Max 90s right here, $70. I got like 2-3 minutes. Twist Dunks right here. These are 9.5, go for 100. Talking to everybody, and we're saying it's been slow, but it's been like that out in LA too, especially the clearance stores. $70 for these right here. Super Rep 3, 60. Blazers. It's weird because the smallest, the size 8, these were marked down to 25, and then right here they're marked down to 50. That is weird. Someone made a mistake with one of them. They usually don't do the extended sizing at like 8, 8.5, 9. So I don't know. I'm gonna check like 2 more minutes out here. Looking for stuff. I'm not really seeing too much. I did run around and try to find some stuff. Not too much success though. Got UCLA hoodie right here. This is normally 75 down to 30 triple XL. Niners hoodie right here. $30. This is the type of stuff I've been looking for. XLs. Not seeing my size though, dang it. I did want to show these camo pants right here. $120 down to 40, and that is Jordan brand. Pretty loose fit. Got like track pants right here. What are these? These are an XL for $25. Got sweats going for 25, triple XL. Medium sweats right here down to 50. Shoot, I gotta go. Last time I almost missed my flight. I barely got there, so I need to do a little bit better than last time. Trying to squeeze out as much content as I can for you guys. I think that's what, 4 videos from Northern California. Yeah, yeah, I had some technical issues, so I couldn't get the 5th one in. I tried, but that's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help our boy out. Press that like button. And we out, man. We out. Done with Northern California. Back to LA, man. Back to LA. All right, made it back, taking the shuttle. Dang, last time I came here and line was hella long. I only had 30 minutes this time. This time it's like short as hell. God dang, what the hell? Just got back from Oakland and all the other Nike outlets and stores out in Northern California. And then my kiddo wants freaking in and out. So waited in line all freaking day or half the day at the airports, and now I'm waiting in line at In-N-Out, bro. Dang, dude. Dang. All right, man. We're done. We're officially done. Out.